Good evening, everyone. It is August 25th, 2017. Here doing a $10 break, filling in for Nick. So, like I said, this Friday, the 25th, Nick is out. So, we do not have a live stream on this Friday for $10 breaks, but me and Joe will be alternating breaks as he breaks and he's busy. If a break fills on $10 breaks, I'm breaking it for you, and vice versa. If I'm busy and a break fills, he'll do it for you. So this one sold out while Joe's doing a break. So I'm going to do 2017 Leaf Autograph Full Size Helmet, one box break number one, random teams. There are a couple combo teams. As you can see here, there is a little tiny mistake. Bengals Panthers are combo teams. Jets Chargers, Jaguars Falcons. It is Saints and Lions. Saints and Lions are the combo team, not the Chargers. Chargers are already comboed. So as you can see here, what happened to the combo team? Come on. Here's a combo team, guys. Let's put that in here. So as you can see right there, there's a combo team. And there you go. So Falcons, Jaguars are combo team. Bills, Panthers, or Bengals, Panthers, sorry. Then you have Jets, Chargers, and where's the Saints, Lions, right there. So let's roll the dice. It is a 1 and a 3, so 4 times on the list of names and the teams. 4 times, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, Michael G's at the top. Edwin, you're at the bottom. Alright, so let's get a new spreadsheet going really quick. Alright, guys. So let's go 4 times down on the list of teams. Let's make sure this is 28 too. So 1, booyah. 2, 3, and 4th and final time. Alrighty, after 4 times, Denver Broncos are at the top, Kansas City Chiefs are at the bottom. Alright, Michael, so you got the Broncos, David H. with the Raiders, Shannon P. with the Browns, Jeff Hensley with the Patriots and Redskins. We have Allen with the Chargers and Jets combo. Michael G with the Titans, Nick D, Last Ball Mojo Seahawks, Jeff Hensley with the Dolphins, and Jeff Hensley Ohio. So there's 2 Jeff Hensleys in this break. One is Ohio, one is not. That's how we separate them because we've actually had confusions. Eddie Martin with the Dallas Cowboys, Michael G with the Texans, Peter with the Jaguars Falcons combo, and as well as the Packers. Dean with the Steelers, Nathaniel Carter with the Ravens, Rick with the Panthers Bengals combo, Allen with the Bills, J-Mac with the Bears, Jason K with the Vikings, Karen with the 49ers, Dean with the Colts, Jeff Hensley with the Eagles, Karen with the Rams, Jeff Hensley Ohio with the Saints Lions combo, Jake Rosenbaum with the Buccaneers, Mike Coons with the Cardinals, and Edwin, you have the Chiefs. Alright, guys, not going to pause the video, but I'll give you guys about 30 seconds to a minute to get any trades going. I'm going to go bring the autographed helmets over here, and by the time I get back, if there is no trades, we'll just pop it open, pull out a helmet, and see what we pull out of there.
Products right there, or cards where you save those, then save those for the season, and then you can redeem them when all the awards are released. 17 left in Origins. Let's get
Alright, guys. Alan is only the one trying to make a trade going, but nobody's replying back to that. So, Alan, stick with what you got. And let's print out this sheet really quick. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I didn't pause the video. We're still live. This is a huge box. It's really, really big. I'm going to open it up right here and place the helmets on top of this desk. There's supposed to 4 per box, or 4 per case. So you guys can see that. It says 4 per case right there. I'm going to place them right here on the table. But I'm going to open it up right over here. So there were no trades. Trade window was closed. And here is the list of teams for this break and the combo teams. Good luck. Nick, Last Ball Mojo with the Seahawks. So here it is. Let me open up this case. I won't be able to flip this, so I'm just going to take out the helmets as they come out, just place them on the table. Remember, they're full-size helmets, so it's going to be kind of rough, but there's one of them right there. Here's how it looks. So it's going to be a really tall mountain, a really tall tower of mini helmets, or full-size helmets, but we're going to have to make it work like this. So there's 2. Have to cut through this box, guys. There's 3. And here's 4. Monsters helmets, guys. But we're gonna make it work. So there's the helmets right there. So we'll number these really quick. 1 through 4. So you guys can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa. Alright. So there's helmet number 1, helmet number 2, helmet number 3, and helmet number 4 right at the bottom. So let's generate one of these helmets really quick. Use a true random number generator. So 4 times we're going to generate helmet number 1 right at the top. So helmet number 1 is generated. So let's pull out number 1, put it right here, and we'll move these 3 helmets and move them back here. There we go, right there. All right. So here is helmet number 1. Alright guys, well, good luck. You guys can see the seal right there. It's going to be better to raise this up higher so you guys can see it right there. Alright guys, and we have a Sammy Watkins replica football helmet. It's kind of tough to take it out of the box, but it is wrapped up so you guys can see it. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh. So this box is empty. And here is the replica helmet. Let's take it out. Well, it could be an NFL helmet, but in this sense, they put in a Clemson helmet. But college rules apply. Team he's currently playing on. And as you can see, there's going to be a little controversy, but Sammy Watkins was just traded to the LA Rams. So there is the autographed helmet. It is in a Clemson Tigers helmet right there. That is going to go to the Rams. Remember, it's team he's playing for currently if it's college. And he's currently on the Rams. So that'll be going to Karen Steele and the Rams. So I know just about a week and a half ago he was with the Bills. But like I said, college rules, I think everybody here knows. Team he's currently playing on. Or if he's retired, team he played for the longest. So there you go, Karen. Sammy Watkins, full-size replica helmet. It's a pretty nice helmet, actually, guys. I'm going to put it on later. Well, there you go, guys. That was Random Teams number 1. Random Teams number 2 will be in the store. $10 breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.